Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. There's never a dull moment in crypto. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today we have some interesting stuff about Ripple and XRP. Also, with Gemini now being a target of the SEC and Gary Gensler. We have the Flare token now live on CoinSpot, which is really good as well. Bitcoin's pumping above $18,000. Finally, and we've got a whole range of stuff to get through today, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey, guys. It's been insane so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much, you guys. Absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way, and crypto is doing quite well today, which is really nice as well. Now, I basically put up a poll here, crypto bull market back or not, and we've got 42% have said yes and 56% have said no out of 802 votes. I honestly believe we are in the accumulation phase of this cycle, all right? Obviously, guys, it's, this is the best time to dollar cost average, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but I believe the bull market is not far away. When it goes, it's going to go. Now, look at Bitcoin today. Absolutely soaring right now. It's 18,861 US dollars, which is absolutely mental. All right. So look at that nice right angle. I'm just saying, imagine that with XRP and it just absolutely skyrocketing based on positive news. That's what's going to come. All right. Massive news. Now, this is hilarious right here, but the bank never goes bankrupt, and this is out of monopoly right here. But some players think that the bank is bankrupt if it runs out of money. The bank never goes bankrupt. To continue playing, use slips of paper to keep the track of each player's banking transactions until the bank has enough paper money to operate again. There you go. That's just real life in general anyway. Now, altcoins up in the portfolio today. XYO was pumping 39%. We have LCX, Alliance Block, Near Protocol, and Harmony One as well. Definitely bullish on those. But XYO is doing really nicely. Absolutely bullish. Now, let's go to CoinSpot, guys. This is where I personally buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, the OG. Of course, do your own research with this stuff. Now, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world. Now, again, I've taken most of my assets off this and have put it into cold storage, and I'm only keeping the ones that I'm staking on the platform. Now, let's go through the prices quickly. I'm going to go through the banking coins and a couple of other favorites, but Bitcoin sitting at $27,000 today. It's incredible. Up 3.07% today. I mean, it was 24, yesterday? So it's incredible to see Bitcoin moving, guys, and I honestly believe this is, the beginning of a bull market, sorry, not bear market, bull market. Anyway, Ethereum's at $2,000, which is crazy. XRP still undervalued at 55 cents. Moving down, ADA's at 48 cents. Solana's at $24, guys. In the Patreon, I've got a pretty wild bot setup going on there, guys. You do not want to miss it. Link below. Join up to the Patreon. It's crazy. Some insane returns, I'm just saying. Now, you got Chainlink at $9 as well. XLM is at 12 cents. There is some interesting stuff happening with Stellar. Do not sleep on Stellar. You've got Algorand at 31 cents. Quant is at 181, still being a pain in the ass because it won't go back down, and I want to buy more. We have Hedera at 6 cents, guys. Moving down some other favorites, of course, we've got Axie at $11 today, which I am staking on CoinSpot. IOTA's at 28 cents. Moving down some other favorites, of course, we've got XDC at 4 cents today. Casper right below XDC at 4 cents as well. Both gems, in my opinion. And let's have a look at XYO today. Up 30% to 1 cent. There you go, guys. This is crazy. I've been very bullish on XYO for a very long time, and I'm up massively in my portfolio with XYO. Just saying, it's incredible. Now, other ones here are obviously Reef, up nearly 3% as well. Under a cent, that is a gem. When that goes, it's going to go. And Alliance Block, ALBT, up 21%. 10 cents. It's ridiculous. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles, guys. And again, the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University is linked below. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bot strategies, which are making some pretty ridiculous gains. I'm just saying. That is linked below. And also, guys, my dividend stock investments, again, putting up the cash flow is very important because everybody needs cash flow, all right? And building a very bullish community. Link is below. Join up. You will not regret it. Now, Crypto Bubbles on the day. Everything's in the green today, which is really nice as well. We've got Aptos up 21%. I'm not invested in that. Let me know in the comments below if you are. 21% is ridiculous. What the hell is this XRD Radix? 10.8% on the day. It's 13.7% on the week. Again, those gains are pretty cool as well. Lido DAO is the biggest gainer as well. 8.6% on the day. What else we got here, guys? We've got Bitcoin Cash. 9.7% on the day, 20% on the week. Is anyone actually holding that? Let me know in the comments. Helium token, haven't seen that one for a while. 8.6% on the day, 21% on the week, which is nice as well. Again, is anyone actually using those helium miners? I'm curious if they actually work anymore. Phantom as well, 7.9%, which is nice. I do hold Phantom. And other than that, guys, we've still got some beautiful opportunities. Things are still cheap, in my opinion. 1.9% for Axie Infinity, which is really good as well. All right, moving on. Let's have a look here, guys. XRP cannot be confiscated by the government, says ex-Ripple director. Here's 3 reasons why. And this is Matt Hamilton, but former Director of Development Relations, Matt Hamilton, right, he once again addressed the XRP community, clarifying rumors of the possible government buyback of the token from the market. Like last time, he stated that such course of action would not be possible, the main reason being that the value of the digital assets is as described by their users. Fair enough. And I still believe anything is possible, all right, especially if institutions want all the XRP. XRP and Bitcoin have no intrinsic value. Their value is determined by a set of transactional rules devised by the decentralized group of people, all right, so it is not centralized, it is decentralized, the developer argued. Now, obviously, what is the confiscation, as well as the refuting yet another round of nonsense by the XRP being bought back by the government? Hamilton also broke down the talk of possible confiscation, which I don't think is going to happen. But anyway, this speculation has emerged as an extension of the original conspiracy theory. As a reminder, that there are rumors that there is to be confiscated by the market by the same government for its own use, and so the technology is not spread anywhere else. I don't think that would happen, guys. But according to Hamilton, confiscation of XRP is impossible for at least 3 reasons. First, the developer notes that XRP is decentralized cryptocurrency and cannot be seized without forcing key holders. Mad. Second, it is easier for the government to create its own digital token if it needs to for its own use, CBDCs. Finally, if the US government restricts everyone from using XRP, it would kill any use of token and would simply be replaced by a fork. There you go. All right. So it cannot be confiscated. Now, Flare. That's one I didn't actually look at, but related Flare network token airdrop, Flare dumps by 71%. Now, I didn't put this in, I didn't check this, guys, but it is actually available. There you go. It's currently trading at 6 cents AUD right now on CoinSpot. So this has just gone live. There you go. All right. So you can buy Flare on CoinSpot, which is nice, but it's dumped 71%. Not really interested, to be quite honest, but I might buy some. We'll see how we go, but I'm sticking to the main ones right here. But Ripple XRP consolidates for a massive move as the SEC case nears conclusion, which is really good as well. But the price is currently forming a macro wedge consolidation for those technical analysis people out there, which is commonly followed by a significant price increase. There you go. In the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency has gained about 3.1% in trading around 37 cents. Market analysts believe that XRP is gearing up for a significant breakout as the SEC case nears conclusion, which is about freaking time because it's taking, a long time. It's taken a long time. Some people have been in this for years. So finally, we might see a resolution very soon. Now, guys, Bitmart as well announces it will be listing Ripple XRP, which is nice. And Bitmart there, I don't use Bitmart, but for those of you who do, XRP is going to be listed. And announced that it will be listing Ripple XRP. The news of Ripple vs XRP listing has caused whales to start stocking up on Ripple XRP. There you go. Very nice to see another exchange listing it here. Now we've got Bitcoin doing some nice things today, but the price rallies to 19,000 USD. That has dropped down a little bit today. But analyst says that $17,300 retest could happen next. What do you think about that? But Bitcoin's price hit a year-to-date high of nearly 19,000 as pro traders use leverage to propel the pump. But derivatives data hints of reasons for Bitcoin price to retest $17,300. And after rallying $19,000 on January 12th, which is, today in the United States and 13th here in Australia, Bitcoin reached its highest price since the FTX exchange collapse on November 8th. The move was largely fueled by the United States Consumer Price Index, the CPI, expectation for December, which matched consensus around 6.5% year over year, highlighting that the inflationary pressure likely peaked at 9% in June. Which again is really nice as well that those CPI numbers seem to have come down a little bit. And again, this is all to do with the CPI numbers in the United States. I mean, it's good to see Bitcoin moving. But anyway, a lot of people were wiped out from shorting Bitcoin, which again, it happens all the time. People get liquidated. And when they're using leverage as well, guys, leverage is dangerous stuff. You don't know what you're doing and you don't have the balls to do it pretty much. But anyway, now this is interesting, right? Ukraine bank finds Stellar blockchain brings key advantages right here. But a 2-year study, Tescom Bank, for the most part, adds Stellar Splash, which is really good as well to a fuel of developing crypto economy in Ukraine, which again is cool. But look at this. Ukraine, already receptive to crypto, has one more reason to be bullish on blockchain thanks to Stellar. A Thursday report unpacking a 2-year study on the feasibility tapping into Stellar crypto ecosystem to move money around the war-torn country detailed a number of reasons for optimism when it comes to digital assets, which is nice to see Stellar and XLM, guys. Really, look at this. Sees real use cases via Stellar blockchain. Do not sleep on XLM either, guys. It's an absolute gem. And Solana as well, revival gathers momentum and on-chain activity increases. Solana transactions have returned to pre-FTX levels. It was going to happen. That's why I bought it. There has also been an increase in active wallets, and Sol price has remained flat for the past couple of days. Perfect time to dollar cost average, in my opinion, not financial advice. Moving on, some other information, you guys. We're at the Bank of International Settlements right here, the BIS. Economists suggest improving TradeFi with CBDC to attract users away from crypto. Interesting. But the latest Bank of International Settlements bulletin looks at ways to mitigate the risks of crypto assets and suggests traditional finance could get its house in better order too. Interesting stuff. So economists at the BIS right here took a look at risks inherent in crypto ecosystem and came up with a seemingly novel solution: develop an alternative. They advised that the bulletin released on Jan 12 when they had in mind was central bank digital currency, CBDCs. They really want control. Everybody wants control with these CBDCs. I'm telling you, they're bad news. I don't like them. And for those of you who think that the government's not going to look at what you buy every day, they will for sure. Now, Hong Kong is setting up a short list of tokens retail can trade, which is interesting. And the coins will make the list right here. But if we have a look, sorry about all these freaking pop-ups. The new token whitelist was proposed on Wednesday by Julia Leung, the CEO of Hong Kong Security Futures Commissions. Every country's got a commission right now. It's crazy. But during a panel discussion in Hong Kong, Leung did not reveal specific tokens she had in mind for the proposed whitelist, but she said her agency will now seek public opinion about the guardrails for retail crypto trading. So if you are in Hong Kong watching my video, I'm very curious if you can actually trade cryptos. I'm curious. At a starting point, it is expected at least Bitcoin and Ethereum will make the big list. And given that there is already ETFs approved in the city, that they are backed by 2 cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum and Bitcoin is a given, of course. Interesting. Now, let's go to cryptometer.io, see where the money's been going, guys. We have Bitcoin, XRP, nice. Ethereum, BNB, TRX, you've got Sheep, Solana, Bitcoin, Cash, Waves. I used to trade Waves on 3 commas, by the way. That has stopped. But again, I'm using another platform to trade with bots. It's in the Patreon. Anyway, that is cryptometer.io. Guys, join the Patreon. It's crazy. I'm doing some wild stuff in there as well. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go follow me on there. And also, when I hit 100,000 subs, I'm giving that away live on air. Jeremy Hogan on Gemini. But the SEC charges Gemini and Genesis for unregistered securities offering the block. Man, freaking hell, like, does the SEC have anything better to do than, you know, charging for unregistered securities? And by the way, go watch the Netflix documentary on Bernie Madoff. Like, that is freaking wild. I mean, the SEC needs to go after dudes like that. That is crazy. Go watch that. I'm in the middle of watching that at the moment. If you haven't watched it, the SEC, man, they're full on in that. That is crazy. Go watch that Bernie Madoff documentary. Anyway, Jeremy Hogan said, I read the SEC lawsuit against Gemini Genesis briefly. I don't see any argument that digital assets themselves are securities, only that notes were utilized and so were subject to the SEC registration. This is not crypto exchange lawsuit as I expected. Very interesting. And Crypto.com just laid off 20% of its staff, which is a lot. And the Bitcoin bull run starts. The initial bull run lasts 500 days. The second one after the halving is most strong. Guys, if it lasts 500 days, this is the perfect time to accumulate. Look at this. You know, what's that saying? I can't even read that. Basically shooting up to $250,000 for one Bitcoin USD. That is insane. If that happens, that's going to be beautiful for altcoins, I'm just saying, and as well as for Bitcoin. Now, the SEC hit BlockFi for failing to register for crypto lending program. Screw BlockFi, they can get stuffed. Stopped Coinbase from launching its crypto lending program, of course, and just hit Gemini and Genesis for its earned crypto lending grift. Buckle up, and SEC regulatory onslaught is just beginning right here. They are really going after crypto in the United States. Man, Gensler needs to go. Let me know in the comments below. Actually, like this video if you think Gensler should go. Anyway, ISO 222 coins, guys, will allow more information to move payments and ultimately will facilitate moving between legacy networks such as SWIFT and the emerging payment gateways like MasterCard, Ripple, or R3's Quarter. However, adoption is complicated and many banks are not looking to migrate until 2025. They're already migrating. Now, XRP community right here, together we are strong. This is bullish as anything, but it's no coincidence. All central banks are positioning themselves with Ripple. There you go. That is why Gensler is on a mission to destroy them. $145 million in Bitcoin short positions liquidated in 24 hours. You love to see it. It's true. It's incredible when people short Bitcoin. People get wrecked, so be careful. And because they're using so much leverage, got to be careful with that leverage. It's tempting, but be careful. Anyway, it's disappointing the SEC, and this is Tyler Winklevoss here, one of the twins, but it's disappointing that the SEC Gov chose to file an action today against Gemini and other creditors are working hard together to recover funds. The action does nothing to further our efforts and help earn users get their assets back. Their behavior is totally counterproductive. There you go, Mr. Winklevoss. Brad Garlinghouse has been saying that for a long time. And Ripple right here, bullish tweet. It has been estimated that 90% of central banks around the world are pursuing CBDC projects. Why? Because they're going to be using Ripple and XRP. Anyway, Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 30 right now. Excuse me, I just sneezed on air. That's hilarious. There you go. And Bitcoin miners have stopped selling and started buying. There you go. US economist Peter Schiff says now is an excellent opportunity to sell your Bitcoin. Do not freaking listen to that guy, man. It's just not in. Just don't listen to him. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Bitcoin's only going to go to $1 million in the future. FTX plans to sell altcoins worth $4.6 billion. That was yesterday. And this is an interesting one I put up yesterday as well. Did you remain bullish even when people were bearish? All right, that's absolute facts. This is what happens in crypto. I mean, everyone's FOMOing in now to crypto when I've been bullish this whole freaking time because I know the real utility of it. All right, educate yourself. Now, if we go to coin market cap, we've got 904 billion. We're almost at $1 trillion, guys. 56 billion in volume. 40% BTC, 19% Ethereum. 22,275 cryptocurrencies. 99% of those will be useless. Top gainers, of course, XYO, Alliance Block, Mana, Phantom, Anchor, Veracity, which is nice. LCX, TLM, Alien Worlds, Sandbox. Biggest gainers in the portfolio. And if we go to my watch list, this is where the real money's going, guys. Ethereum, XRP for sure. ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM, Algorand, Quant, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Casper, LCX, Alliance Block. Do not sleep on XDC either, guys. This is massive, all right? It is working with projects with gold, finance, cross-border payments, the whole thing, and trade finance, which is a massive industry as well. And XLM. Not many people talk about that either. 8 cents USD. That is an absolute bargain, in my opinion. Basically a fork of Ripple when you think about it. But anyway, I'm very bullish on it. All right. Now let's have a look here, guys. 50 billion XLM in circulation. This will moon as well, XLM. Anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for sticking around this long. I will speak to you all in the comments. And guys, please be careful on social media. There are so many fake accounts. It's ridiculous. I'm getting notifications from people from TikTok, Instagram. There's fake profiles everywhere. Everything is linked below. They are my official accounts. If you're watching this, do not respond to messages because I will not message you on Instagram or TikTok. They are fake accounts. They will scam your money. It is not me. Please be careful. Anyway, I'm out of here. Peace out. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.